Okay, all fire alarm community members, never ever mess around with fire alarms in other people's houses, and especially in public buildings. Only do it with your own fire alarms at home. Because fire alarms are not toys in a public building, because they are very serious life safety devices. They alert people when there is a fire inside the building, and they must evacuate the building immediately. And also notify the fire department to come and put that fire out. So this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why you especially never ever mess around with fire alarms in public buildings. Even if you are going to somebody else's house and they have fire alarms in their house, you still do not mess around with their fire alarms in their house, because those are not your fire alarms. Only do it with your own fire alarms at home, not in somebody else's house with their fire alarms, and especially not in a public building. Goodbye.